Hello and welcome to Cody's Radio Workshop. It's been a while, I'm still here, I'm still busy, but I found a little bit of time to pop up another YouTube video. This might be straightforward, it might not. This is the Roberts R871 BBC World Service full band, short, long, medium and FM. And the problem with this, well, there's a couple of problems with it. The battery cover's missing, the tip of the aerial is missing, and it's on and it doesn't switch off.
More intimate peek into the relationship will get. A lot of people are just picking.
You hear how it cuts out and then cuts straight back in again. That could just want the switch cleaning, or it could be the angle of the plastic piece inside that's not allowing the button to pop in and stay in. So it might just need a little bit of electrical cleaner on there. So let's have a look. You've seen me do the R871 a few times before. There are a couple of videos, I believe, to the best of my memory. So it is to remove these two screws here. Pop them on one side, remove the batteries. Pop them on one side, there's one more battery in there which just does the clock. And then, spudger time. First, remove the knobs. They should just pull off, and that one did. And that one did. So that's a good start. There we go. Being very careful because this black wire here, as you can see, the aerial wire is particularly short. Oh, there's one more screw in the corner. There. Put that on one side, and another one down here. It's been a while since I've taken one of these to pieces. I don't have a schematic for this one. It's one of the few that I don't have. As I say, this black aerial wire I remove from this side of the case. There it goes. And the aerial wire so the button that we're looking at here is this one. That is the power switch. It does seem intact. What I will do is put some switch cleaner just behind it and straight down the button top as well. Just a tiny amount, and just press away until it's all worked in. Yep, the radio, as you can see by the green LED there, is on and won't switch off. So, a little bit more investigation. Well, we're back, and after doing much more investigating, including taking the switch off the board and completely taking it off there, I found on the other side of the board a capacitor, I don't know if you can see that, which has vented out of its bottom, and that should be 1000 microfarads, but doesn't really want to play open circuit or low capacitance. Open circuit, low capacitance. So I got rid of that and I replaced it here, which is right next to the incoming power supply. Now what I also found on the other side of the board, and I will try and zoom in the best I can, here in this triangle we have a transistor, and that transistor had a bridge between here and here. I've removed the bridge, and now if I short out the power switch, which is here, and keep an eye on this LED. Just have to get it just right. Got light on, and it's drawing very little. There's about 15 milliamps, and then bridge this again, and light goes off, and it's drawing no current at all. So I think that has resolved the problem. I think it was this capacitor here, the 1000 microfarad, and just inside, see if we can see, just inside here was the transistor, which had a bridge here. So on tracing that out and finding out that that's where the power was disappearing, that's what enabled me to find the solder bridge. So now I'm going to put it back together and see if we've resolved it. Well, there we go, it's all back together. I've put the jack socket in the side, the power light hasn't automatically come on this time, so let's give it a go.
The US President Joe Biden said that over the course of his 90 years, Prince Philip saw the world change dramatically and repeatedly, and he had gladly dedicated himself to the people of the UK, FM. The Commonwealth, and to his family.
Medium wave.
A flood of condolences and tributes reflects the Duke of Edinburgh's international presence and the strength of his personality.
And crashes that have left 74 PSNI officers injured.
Shortwave. I'll probably not be able to test properly until later, once I've got the long wire attached. But yeah, there we go. There's the power light. Off. On. So at some point in its previous life, somebody's plugged in the wrong power supply, because these are centre pin negative, not centre pin positive, so that throws a lot of people. So if they've put the wrong polarity up it, that's melted the solder and all but blown that capacitor. So that's a Roberts R871 back to working order. Thanks very much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye for now.